Assalamualaikum everyone. This is me, Akib Rahman, and I'm from Tasal, Bangladesh. And today I'm going to show you the hardware, okay? The hardware of the computer. Now this is a PC, okay? And this is Dell branded and Optiplex 7080 and Intel Core i7, okay? i7. So I'll show you inside this one. So we open this one, okay? We open this one. So I'm going to open it. Okay. This one is our PC. Can I keep it here? Okay. And now I'm going to tell you one by one, okay? What's this inside this one, this one, okay? So the first one is the fan, okay? This one is the fan, okay? This one is a fan, and there are two fans. One is this one and this one. This one is to keep the PC clean, and this one is the fan CPU cooler. Okay, this one the fan for a CPU cooler. Okay, so you can see this one. This one is the fan. You can see this one. And do you know where is the CPU? This one, if I okay. Wait. So now I kept the fan here, and now if I take it up, then do you know what? Where is the CPU? This one is the small CPU. Okay, this one is the CPU. You can see there is written like this. Okay. So, and this one is a CPU, and then we have this one. Do you know what's this one called? Like these all are on this small board, on this board. Okay, this big board.
What is called?
It's called as the motherboard. Okay, it's called as a motherboard. And here, if I show you here, this one, if I show you here, this one is the CD player or DVD player here. See, it's from here, going from here, going to like this here, going like this. Okay, and so I'm going to show you where is the graphics card, okay? This one is the graphics card, okay? This is NVIDIA Quadro P2200, okay? 200. And so this one is the one and
5 giga.
Yeah, 5 giga. And here you can see there is also another fan to keep the graphics card clean, okay? This one. This one not any toy to play. This one is the fan, okay, to keep the CPU clean. And do you know what's this one? This one is a part of this CPU, okay? No, sorry, the graphics card, okay? And now I'm going to show you where the PC gets the power. This one is the power supply. Okay, power supply. See the where are going from here to the motherboard. It's connected to the motherboard here. Okay, and if I show you this one, okay, this one is the memory card. Okay, this one is the memory card, and these two. This is the RAM. Okay.
16,
yeah.
32 giga.
And this one is 16, 32 giga. Okay, these two RAM we have, okay, here. And if I show these here equipments here like this, and like here, if you see here that one, okay, that one is a part, okay, a part of the motherboard, okay, a part of the motherboard. And do you know the motherboard is not the motherboard didn't include this power supply, because the motherboard needs to get like not heavy. This battery or power supply is so it has too much weight. That's why it didn't go like on the motherboard. Okay, and there here if I show you here these things. Okay, if I show you here is the power button. Okay, here's the power button, and the power button goes here. Okay, here you can see, and these things. Okay, these here this one. Okay, and left side here like this, and here is the power button. So power button should be in this corner. Okay, here the power button is. Okay, and this way is connected with with the motherboard, and this one is also a wire. Too many wires are here. Okay. To work. Okay, and do you know how the DVD player works? Like this, and the DVD player should be connected with the motherboard. Okay, so which here you can see this wire is connected with the motherboard, and this is going from here to the DVD player. Okay, and if I show you another thing. Okay, I show you another thing. This one. Okay, this one here is something special thing. Okay, and if I show you here, like I said that there is something special thing, which is this one. Okay, this one I don't know what's the name. Okay, this is connected with this motherboard. Okay, this one is the connection from here to here and here. Okay, so and that's all about my explanation of the PC. Okay, so bye bye, assalamu alaikum.